It all began in April 2017 when a dog attacked me and I broke my leg. A metal plate was installed in my leg with 10 screws. Several weeks later, I developed blood clots, was put in the hospital. My leg wasn't getting better, it was getting worse. It hurt, it hurt, it hurt.
It was very frustrating. Jan was just so active in her life and everything that we did, and to see her in so much pain and not be able to get around and do the things that she was used to doing, it was very, very painful to watch.
I dreaded getting in a car. I couldn't get down the hallway to even go to the bathroom. It was painful to sleep at night. I couldn't turn over in the bed. I couldn't get dressed. I couldn't pull my socks on. It hurt so bad. I could not golf for one entire year, and I had brand new golf clubs at my house. Very disheartening to not be able to go to watch the kids or to go to activities that we're used to going to easily. And I've never had any physical problems before.
I remember her being in a lot of pain, and I remember her not being able to walk into the ice arena and go watch her grandson.
I was walking up the stairs to the hockey arena, could not get up the steps without holding on and stopping and holding on and stopping. It was like knives shooting through my leg.
And when she couldn't make it into the ice arena for a hockey game, I thought, interesting. We better get something going and figure out a different plan. I thought of my son's best friend, Charlie, whose dad happens to be Dr. McGinley, and I thought that would be a great place to start.
As soon as I saw the x-rays, within 2 minutes, I knew what the problem was. That's an unfortunate situation that we really don't want patients to have to go through.
He said, Jan, you have 2, maybe 3 screws that are too long that are coming out the other side of your leg almost. So he called the surgeon that night. The surgeon went in and took out all 10 screws and the hardware. That afternoon, I could walk without pain.
Immediately after those screws came out, Jan was like a new person. It was just incredible to see the results of having those screws removed. What's unfortunate is she suffered with this and it was not recognized.
The first thing she did was go to a hockey game. She was up cooking again and working a full 8-hour shift. She just had her life back, and we had our mom back.
My whole attitude changed. It was like, okay, I'm back. I can do these things again. Yes, I can go to sporting events. No, you don't have to wait a half hour for me. I got out on the driving range by myself. That was the best part. It was amazing.
When she got better, she just came to all my hockey games and it made me feel better. I just got a lot of people to come watch me because he always brags about me.
Good job, bud. Love you. Good job. Good job, bud.
Joe was the main part in her recovery. He was the one person that saw the screw sticking out, knew exactly what the problem was, knew exactly how to cure it. From the day that we met with Joe, you could see the joy coming back in her face.
Tracy knew that Joe had developed the drill, and that's why she knew that Joe would give me a good opinion. It's interesting because had the surgeon used the technology that Dr. McGinley has, had they used the drill, I wouldn't have lost almost a year of my life.
The IntelliSense drill technology was designed specifically with the #1 benefit, patient safety. Where surgeons stop using x-rays, where the surgery's faster, where the screws are correct on the first go. That's new. That's groundbreaking medicine.
His top priority is patient care and reducing the cost for hospitals, patients, surgeons, and everyone. Every orthopedic surgeon should be using this drill. Every single one of them should.